All right, good morning, Dr. Knight. Today is technically a day one out of Dr. Knight, so that would mean it would be a third grade, second grade, first grade day for Phi Ed. So here's what we're going to do here with our schedule doing distance learning for physical education. Typically we have a 4-day schedule, so my expectation is that on a 4-day schedule, on the day that you would have Phi Ed, you would do a Phi Ed activity. So that's kind of what we have for our activities. So that means that every 4 days, that 2 days are going to be dedicated to physical education. So if you take a look here at what I have on the screen, I'm trying a new video here to see how this works, maybe if it can help with some confusion. So for the week of October 26th through the 30th, you are going to be coming up with basically an exercise program on your own. Okay, so it says right here the following exercises excuse me, have been grouped as those that target your legs, your core, your arms. Pick an exercise from each group, write that exercise in the table below, and complete your workout for physical education for the day. The next time you have class, I would like you to create and complete a new workout. Best of luck. Please submit to me your workout creation. So what you're going to do here is you're going to go down to the bottom of your little document that you access on your Google Classroom here for physical education under your specialist folder. And you're going to look through all these exercises here. You can see jumping jacks, 3 sets of 20. Push-ups, 3 sets of 5. Straight arm plank, 3 sets of 20. Planks, 3 sets of 30. Superman, 3 sets of 20. Sit-ups, 3 sets of 20. Mountain climbers, 3 sets of 20. Okay, so anyways, etc. We have a lot of exercises there you can do. What you're going to do is you're going to go down here after you've kind of looked at those exercises, and you're going to make some choices here. For example, day one exercises. Let's say that you decide for your legs you wanted to do that you did squats for the day. All right, and then you decide for your upper body you want to do push-ups for the day. And then you decided for your core muscles you wanted to do planks. What you would do then is you would go back up here and you would complete where it says squats, 3 sets of 15. So a set means that you do 15 squats, all right, because a repetition is 1 time and a set is 1 time of 15. So you're going to be doing 45 total squats, all right? So you don't do them all at the same time. You're going to do just 15 at a time, then take a little rest. And then honestly, if you're pairing it with your other exercises, you could just do 15 squats. And then if you did push-ups, you could do 5 push-ups. And then you could do a plank for 20 seconds. So that is kind of what we're looking for there on your workout. Okay? And then you'd be done for the day for your Phi Ed. So you're getting a little workout in, trying to get your muscles worked. And then after you're done, the next time you have Phi Ed, whether that would be, let's say it was a day 3, right? So today's a day 1, let's say it's day 3. You would do another workout, and you would create another workout here. And I don't want you just to create the same workout. I want you to try and pick something new when you do this, okay? As you can see down here, it says Friday, October 30th is a day 4 for Mr. Ruby. So if there are problems or there are questions or concerns maybe you're struggling with, then please give me a call here. Or email me. This is my email right here. And if you look right here, this is the office extension I'm at. This is not my extension at Dr. Knight. This is my extension over at the middle school. So if you need to get in touch with me, usually I'm over here in the middle school working. I hope that kind of clears up any questions you might have for the assignment for the week. When you are done with it, I would like you to hit the submit button just so I can look here and I can see what workout you decided to throw together right here. Okay? Sounds good. Good luck. Have a great week.